Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter number 5, Shapes and Designs. Make a clapper. This is a very interesting activity. First, fold the paper in half. Then one half you have to fold it like this as shown in figure number 2. Further you have to fold more. It will look like this. Then fold it again into a half as shown in the figure. Then set the paper like this as shown in the figure number 6, and then फटाक, your clapper is ready. आपके घर में शायद ये आपको पहले से ही बनाना आता होगा, या तो आपके मम्मी डैडी भी इससे बचपन में खेले होंगे, तो उनकी मदद से भी आप ये क्लैपर बना सकते हैं और इसको खेलकर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. एक पेपर से ये बन जाता है. इट्स वेरी इजी. हैव फन विथ shapes. Color the clown following the directions given below. See, here you can see a clown made up of shapes. There are many shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, circle. So you have to color the triangles red, squares yellow, rectangles blue, and circle green. So after coloring, your clone will look like this. How many triangles are there in the following figures? See, 3 figures are given in your textbook. So we have to count the triangles, number of triangles. In the first figure there are 12 triangles. In the second figure there are 14 triangles, and in the third figure there are total 13 triangles. Try to find out on your own, then you can take help of your parents if you cannot find this many triangles. Find the biggest rectangle in the figures given below. So here you can see in the first figure is done for you. Biggest rectangle made with pink color is done for you, and the rest of the 3 you have to find out. You have to find the you have to make the biggest possible rectangle. So here's how you can do your answer. Now there is a game time. So edges and corners. So Meeta and her friends. So here you can see Meeta's friends named Tinku, Bunty, Guddu, Raja and Chotu. So Meeta and her 5 friends were playing a game. Tinku was blindfolded and asked to keep clapping as long as he wished, while the others would move around a table. The moment Tinku stopped clapping, everybody would stop wherever they were. The child who was not at the corner would be out. Then she would be blindfolded, right? So 5 बच्चे मिलकर ये गेम खेल सकते हैं. 6 बच्चे, टिंकू और मीता और उसके 5 फ्रेंड्स, मतलब टोटल 6 बच्चे ये गेम खेल सकते हैं. एक ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होगा, उसकी आंखों पे पट्टी बंधी होगी, और वो जब तक मर्जी चाहे ताली बजाता रहेगा, तब तक बाकी सारे बच्चे टेबल के अराउंड चलते रहेंगे, और जैसे ही ताली बंद होगी सब लोग एक कॉर्नर पे रुक जाएंगे. जो बच्चा कॉर्नर पे नहीं होगा वो आउट होगा, और वो ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होगा, और फिर से वो यही गेम चलता जाएगा. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम. यू कैन प्ले एट योर होम. सो there are some question and answer based on these questions, based on this game. So looking at the picture given above, here is it. I have also pasted it on this right hand side. So looking at the picture, can you tell who is out? So here you can see Guddu is out. So Guddu is out because he is not standing at any of the corners of the table. So question number B is, where is Guddu standing? So here you can see in the picture, right, Guddu is waving his hand. So Guddu is standing in the middle of one of the sides of the table. Can this game be played around a round table? No, this game cannot be played around a round table. Why? Because a round table has no corners. Many things around us have straight edges. For example, see, books, chair, kite, इन सब की straight edges है, right? किनारियाँ. And other things have curved edges. कुछ ऐसी भी चीज़ें होती है जिसकी edges straight नहीं होती, curved होती है, right? गोलाकार में. So here you can see edges, curved edges, wheel and plate. So look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. This answer you can write by your own. I am showing you how to write. A book and eraser and a page have straight edges, and a cylinder, a pen and a ball have curved edges, right? These things you can find at your home. So do the things with the straight edges have corners, right? The straight edges which have corners. So yes, things with straight edges have corner. जिसकी edges straight होती है उसकी corners होते हैं. Do the things with curved edges have corner? जिसकी curved edges होती है उसकी कोई corner होते हैं क्या? So no, things with curved edges do not have any corners, do not have corners like ball and all, right? Try to find things which have both straight and curved edges, right? So a pencil, a capsule and a knife have a straight edges as well as curved edges. Look at the following table and tick the names of things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in each of them. So here is the table. So in the first column you can see name of the things that are die, a ball, eraser, egg, sheet of paper. So whether it has a corner, so die has corner. Number of edges, so first of all we have to put tick mark if it has corners, right? The number of edges 12, die has 12 edges and 8 corners. Now ball, so it doesn't have any corners, so वहाँ पे कोई tick mark नहीं होगा. So no corners, no edges and no number of corners. Then eraser, yes, it has corners and it has also 12 corners and 8. You can find 12 edges and 8 corners. Then egg has no corner. Sheet of paper has corner, so tick mark. Then it is the shape with corners. It has 4 edges and 4 corners. So this is very important. बहुत बार एग्जाम में भी आता है, तो this you have to remember. The die is a cube shape, so 12 edges and 8 corners. And as well as eraser also cuboid shape, it's like cuboid shape, so it has also 12 edges and 8 corners. And sheet of paper 4 edges 4 corners, right? Egg and ball doesn't have any corners or doesn't have any edges either. So in the following figure, tick those which have corners and do these figures have curved lines. Both the things you have to find out. So you can see, first of all let us complete the figures with corners. So this figure have 2 corners, this figure have corners, this figure also have corners, and this figure also have corners. Now do this figure have curved lines? So some of the figures have curved lines. We'll take only circle and this oval shape. So yes, 2 of the given figure have curved edges. Using only straight lines, can you draw a figure which has no corners? So you have to use only straight lines, no curved lines, and you have to draw a figure which has no corners. Is it possible? So using straight line, it is not possible to draw a figure that has no corners. Curved edges के साथ ही वो possible हो सकता है no corner वाली figure, right? So that's all for today. Thank you very much.